Hello everyone, welcome back to the garage. Winter's still hanging on strong here, so it's still going to be another month or so till we get out and do a little riding, whether it be on the KLR or the Indian. Just depends on how much salt they keep throwing on the roads. But what I'd like to do today is go through a highlight reel of the rides we did back over 2019. We went to some great places, had some awesome rides. Just some real beautiful areas, and I know maybe most of you have seen some of the rides that we did this last summer, and maybe some of you haven't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a highlight reel, and along the way I'll list the names of the places that we were at, and maybe throw up some tabs up in the corner that you can click on if you wanted to see that in complete ride. And then at the end of the video, I will put up a playlist of all those rides that are included in that video. Anyway, please enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Thanks. coming along on our 2019 highlight reel. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, here at the end, we're going to put up a link to all the videos. So you'll be able to go in there, and if there's one in there you really liked, you'll be able to click on that ride and go enjoy the whole ride with us. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, or maybe the complete videos of the ones we highlighted here in the highlight reel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we'll have some great rides coming up next year too, so I invite you to come along on those. Please share it with your friends. And for those of you that are in the lower latitudes and not having to deal with snow and ice, ride safe and take care, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.